Hello, today I will guide you on how to remove or uninstall PhoneLink in Windows 11 and Windows 10. This app is used to sync your PC with your smartphone, but if you no longer need it, this guide will help you safely remove it. Step 1. Open PowerShell as administrator. Click the Start menu or use the search bar and type PowerShell. Right-click on Windows PowerShell from the results and select Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. Step 2. Run the command to remove PhoneLink. Copy the following command. In PowerShell, right-click the title bar, choose the Edit option, and then choose Paste. Alternatively, you can right-click inside the window to paste the command directly. Wait for the command to finish running. If it completes without showing any error, it means the removal was successful. Restart your computer to complete the removal process. That's it. You've successfully removed the PhoneLink app from your system. We hope this guide helped you. See you in the next tutorial.